Okay, this is lesson 2, page 5, the multiplying with multiples of 10. Number 1, you have 10 times 8. Go ahead and just show the work. You're going to do 8 times 0, which is 0, and then 8 times 1, which is 8. Number 3, you have 80 times 6. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 8 is 48. Number 5, you have 4,000 times 5. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 4 is 20. Number 7, you have 6,000 times 9. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 0 is 0. And then 6 times 9 is 54. Number 9, you have 700 times 9. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 7 is 63. Number 11, you have 715 times 200. I'm going to show you a little trick that you can do so that you can eliminate the zeros. Anytime you have zeros at the end of a number, you can just move them over this direction. So that way all you have to do is multiply it by 2. Okay, so I went ahead and rewrote it. When you do that, you just bring down the zeros, and then now you can just multiply by 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 2 times 7 is 14. Much easier that way. Notice again on number 13 you have a 0 at the end, so I'm going to move it over and just bring it straight down. Okay, and then you have 2 times 6, which is 12. 2 times 9 is 18, plus 1 is 19. Number 15, you have 3 times 4, which is 12. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. Okay, for number 17, it says Pablo worked 35 hours per week for 10 weeks on a job. Maria worked 24 hours per week for 10 weeks on the same job. How many hours did each person work? And then what was the total of the hours they both worked? All right, let's start with Pablo. He worked with 35 hours times 10. So Pablo worked 350 hours. And then Maria worked for 24 hours times 10. So Maria worked 240 hours, and they want to know how much they both worked, so you just add the two together. 350 plus 240 gives you 590. Number 19, there are 12 inches in a foot. How many inches are in 5 feet? So you have 12 inches times the 5 feet. Gives you 60 inches. Okay, now you're going to go back and do the evens and any other problems that I didn't do for lesson 2. Then you have your extra practice on page 53. And then when you're done with that, you can go work on your VMath Live. And then you're done with lesson 2.